Hello, my name is Cheryl Wilson. I want to share this painting with you. It is a 48 by 72 stretch canvas on a frame. It will be shipped more than likely rolled safely. It is again 48 by 72. I call it internal change. It is acrylic with many other markings with some of my favorite tools, handmade tools, some oil sticks, sticks that I use dipped in paints, graffito, markings with my hands, marking with many tools, and it is absolutely beautiful. There is a lot to look at. The video and pictures just don't do it justice, but the purpose of this video is for future clients to have a better view of the painting.